Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating shared password groups on the Password app on iPad OS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The ability to create shared password groups on the Passwords app on OS 18 is such a helpful feature. You can create a group where you can add certain contacts and certain passwords. This way, everyone you add to the group can access the passwords that you add to the shared passwords. This could be helpful in a family where you all share streaming services, or on a project at work where you all need to have access to the same passwords for apps. Open the Passwords app and tap the plus square icon in the bottom left corner. Tap Continue. Then name your group. Tap Add People to add contacts to your shared passwords group. People must be in your contacts in order to be added to your group. When you have added the contacts, tap Create in the top right corner. Now select the passwords that you would like to add to the shared group. You can search for passwords at the top. Tap Move in the top right. You can choose to notify the people you added that you have added them to your group. Your shared groups are located in the left sidebar. You can tap the plus in the bottom right to add passwords to the shared passwords. You can move a password from your own existing passwords or create a new password. You can tap Members at the top to delete the group, edit the name, and add or remove participants. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.